Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. And in today's video we are going to solve 9th class chapter 14 statistic exercise 14.2 question number 5. So according to the question number 5, a study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in part per million ppm of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days is as follow. So we have to basically what we have to make a grouped frequency distribution table for the given data. Okay, and the class interval, it's already given how we have to make our class interval. Means the class interval, the class width should be 0.04. So our class interval will go in that way. So what should be the upper limit of the last class interval? So for this, as we know, there are 4 gap. Okay, 4 means 0.04 gap is there. So first we will check which one is the highest value in the given observation. Okay, so in these observation, this one is the highest value, 0.22. This one is the highest. So our class interval should we go to 1 or 2 value up to this observation. So let's see how we will make the class interval. We will start from here and we will go like this: 0.04 to 0.000 to 0.04 and so on, and the our last class interval will be in this way: 0.02 to 0.04. Why we have taken to 0.02 0.04? As we know, the last observation is our 0.22. So we cannot go till 0.22 because it is the given group distribution is in exclusive form. So when we are counting the our frequency, 0.022 will go into the next class interval. Okay, so now we will find out how we are going to solve. Okay, so for first this class interval, 0.00 to 0.04, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So next class, 0.04 to 0.08, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now 0.08 to 0.12. 0.08, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So again 9. Okay, now 0.12 to 0.16, 0.12. No, 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 yes, 1, 2, no, so only 2 observation. Now 0.16 to 0.20, 0.16, yes, 1, 2, 3, no, no, 4, That's it. 4. Now last one, 0.02 to 0.024. 1 and 2, 0.22, and that's it. So this is our frequency table for the 30 observation which are given in the decimal. So children, it is not very difficult to make the group the distribution frequency table, but when we are taking the value, we have to be very careful. We have to see the value, we have to check the upper limit, we have to check the upper limit and the lower limit of the class interval. Then we have to select the value. If there is any value which is lying exactly on the upper value, so we will not take it in the upper value, we will take in which that observation is as in the lower limit. So as 0.08 is there, we are not including in this second class interval. We have taken, we are counting the 0.08 observation in the third class interval. So when we are making frequency table, we have to keep these things in the mind. So बच्चे, first part we have solved already, and the second part is for how many days the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.01 per. So we have to count how many observations we have more than 0.01. Okay, so for this we have to count. Okay, we will count how many observation we have which are the greater than 0.01. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have the 8 observations. Okay, so means 8 days when the concentration of more than 0.01. So this is our answer. So this is the solution for our question number 5, exercise 14.2.